To succeed as a technical writer or an aspiring technical writer, you need to know and build essential skills. You're welcome to the Brave Achievers channel. In this video, we will talk about 5 core skills every technical writer must have. First, research skills. The surest way of developing knowledge and passing authentic information is the habit of conducting proper research. Technical writers are knowledge providers. Thus, you must have all-round technical details and other relevant information on the product or service you are writing about. Second, organization skills. Writing a technical document requires lots of processes before the actual writing, such as research, collaboration, and planning. So it is vital to be able to manage your time and tasks effectively. Third, communication skills. This is a significant skill for simplifying complex technical topics and concepts into simple words, breaking them into easy to understand headings and paragraphs, then linking them to other issues. Technical writing goes beyond written communication skills that incorporate images, note boxes, lists, diagrams, and other tools to convey technical information. Sometimes technical writers communicate technical knowledge through instructional videos. In addition, technical writers ensure effective communication and uniformity among teams and stakeholders by providing easy to understand documentation such as business requirement document and standard operating procedure. Fourth, you need detail skills. Attention to detail requires knowing the suitable writing style, correct syntax and tenses, fact-checking and adjusting grammatical errors. Detail skills are essential in editing and proofreading technical content before publishing. And fifth, technical skills. The type of technical skills to develop depends on the subject matter, product or service, and even the industry in which a technical writer chooses to specialize. For example, tech writers specializing in developing technical content for developers develop basic programming skills. Technical writing is the key to creating awareness for problem-solving products and services to users and helping them to get the best out of them. Hence, if you aspire to become a technical writer, you aim at a career path centered on making life easier for the end users. It's important to learn the skills that will make you excel. I'm glad you stayed till the end of this video. If you found this video helpful and enlightening, then share this with others. Stay tuned to our channel by subscribing, liking this video, and turning on your notification. Click here to check out our video on 6 tips to become a technical writer.